Hey everybody, this is Lee from BaldThoughts, where we teach you how to travel more, spend less, and live better. If you've followed the blog or follow my social media, things like that, you know that I'm a huge fan of Kimpton. So I just wanted to show you what I got, because I've been interacting with Kimpton on their social media. Every couple days they offer up a photo that says, caption this. And so every so often I participate when I have a little something witty to say. And I got something in the mail. Let's see what it is. So, tilt this down a little bit. Sorry about that. All right. It's a pretty big box, right? Fret. Now, this probably means one thing, which is super cool. Let's see what it is. Turn it around this way. If you have ever been to a Kimpton property, you know that they have some of the most amazing robes. They have some of them that are kind of just plain, with the gray, whatever. They're very well known for their cheetah print and leopard print robes. So let's see what's going to happen in here. Oh, no robe. Let's see. What is it? First, there's a card. It says, better late than never, right, Lee? Sorry for the delay. We really just wanted to want an excuse to talk to you. Happy relaxing. Team Kimpton Karma. So, there's the card. Pretty cool. All right, so we have a Kimpton candle. These things smell so good. Oh, yeah. That's really good. Anna's going to love that. That's for sure. All right, we got a candle. So, Atelier Blooms. I never know how to pronounce that. Atelier. My French is not very good. Anna's is much better than mine, so I'm sure she would know how to pronounce that better. Some soaps. So it's just like as if we were staying at a Kimpton. We got some shampoo, conditioner. I don't really use the shampoo, right? But shampoo, conditioner, body wash, body lotion. Good, good, good. What else is in here? Oh, what? Lots of fun stuff in here. Kind of cool, kind of cool. Oh, it is a robe. I was concerned when I saw the candle that there wasn't going to be a robe in here. And check this out. This robe is awesome. Super awesome. Thank you, Kimpton. Let's try to open it up. Not only are these bags child-proof, they are adult-proof, because I am not sure how to open this up. Let's do the man way of doing things. Rip and tear. There we go. That's the way we do it. Anything else in here? Nope, 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 nope. Cool, cool, cool. Look at that. Get rid of all that extra paper. Get this bad boy on. Do, 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 do. Oh, yeah. Oh, almost dropped you. Check that out. Looking good, looking good. Oh yeah, there we go. This looks nice. Fits just right. I'm ready for breakfast in bed. I wonder if Anna's going to bring me breakfast in bed. Probably not. So, anyways, this robe is awesome. Super comfy. You can just feel how comfy that is. Oh yeah. Very good. Got my soaps, got my candle. Only thing we need is a Kimpton bed. So don't have one of those at home yet, but they are for sale. So maybe one of these days when it goes on sale, I'm gonna have to get me one. But in the meantime, just gonna enjoy myself here. And yeah, thank you so much, Kimpton. This is really awesome. This is a great surprise. I was not expecting that, and super stoked. So if you liked the video, please share it. Really appreciate it. And definitely like, throw some hearts, those types of things. That would be super awesome. And have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.